I mean, my long-term relationship has been marriage, right? And in marriage also, you realize that it's not that modern dating is complex and marriages are easy. Of course, they're also really difficult because at every stage, you start realizing that both of you keep evolving as people. And at every stage, you have to, in many ways, continue finding things to fall in love with in the person who's evolving in front of you. Because that person may not necessarily be the same person that you met 15 years ago, 20 years ago. I'm not talking about toxicity. I'm just talking about evolution, because of course certain patterns are toxic and then you should also be able to talk about that. But when you're talking about genuine growth, I love that they're finding new things about themselves. And I, as someone who's committed to them, also find something to love in that, and that is that, as you said, that takes constant effort.
Yeah.
So I
It
really
sounds
love
like
that.
it. I love what you're saying. It sounds like that to be curious about who is this person in front of me, not who is the story or what is the story in my head that I've told myself about the person who's sitting in front of me.
Abhi your question answers
Sorry.
if Varun ne diya, so I'm also going to ask the same thing. What is the pattern that you've seen among women and men?
Only from my experience,
Yes.
I would like to say something that I've told myself also, that men should start accepting that change is a constant, and women should start accepting that constance is important.
And I feel like, एक बारी आपका relationship evolve हो जाता है, and that is maybe where love also
Really
comes in,
evolves.
right? Yeah, when you're able to, as you said, I think sit in stillness with someone you love. When you're able to really not have to do things.
Have a marker.
Yeah, to do things to prove that there is love.
I love that
Yeah,
idea.
when love is just understood, and of course, this is not to say that you shouldn't have those small gestures, and sometimes the gestures just can be really small.
Yeah.
Like Daisy does this sometimes, which I find really sweet, like when I have something big that is happening in my life, or and I might be psyching myself up for it, मुझे शायद realize भी ना हो, she will just give me a small card, handwritten. खुद बनाती है, कभी cards खुद बनाती है, खुद बनाकर फिर खुद लिखेगी, and she'll just say that, best of luck. And it's just really, it's a best of luck. It's like, I love you, best of luck. But that just sometimes, the effort of that gesture itself is like so important and so meaningful. Yeah, there is.
कोई support कर.
Yeah, I get this someone, who sees you. And I find that
This
really
is the
lovely.
most powerful.
Yeah.
Somebody who sees you. To be witnessed is one of the most beautiful things.
To be witnessed.
Not to be fixed. Not to be guided.
Gently led.
तुमने नहीं बताया अभी तक.
No, I will avoid saying men and women. I'd say maybe one thing that people tend to do is मुझे ये भी समझ में आया कि many patterns people fall into because they are learning about love from Instagram. If let's say I just cut all the fluff and bring it down to the basics कि तुझे as a boy लड़की से प्यार चाहिए, right? या तुझे relationship चाहिए, या तुझे एक बढ़िया मैजिकल सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप चाहिए, जो भी चाहिए, तू लड़की से ही नहीं सुन रहा है कि उसको क्या चाहिए, तू सुन रहा है लड़कों से. जब लड़कियां बहुत सारी क्लियरली बता पा रही हैं कि यार हमसे ऐसे बात करो, हमसे वैसे बात करो, तो सुन लो ना कि when I scroll my algorithm, I see women all telling me constantly what they like and what they don't like. जिनसे आपको प्यार चाहिए उनकी नहीं सुन रहे हो कि कैसे चाहिए और क्यों चाहिए.
I mean, if you want to understand what men feel, listen to the men, which is what the other pattern is. I feel like a lot of, unfortunately, even that understanding of men comes, from what we have, not from actually listening to men, but like an understanding of societal understanding of what men are. Because so much of what everyone is speaking about is how there is no intentions when it comes to dating. Like I feel like everybody's confused all the time about what they're looking for, and which is actually why I admire something like when I talk about dating apps, when I admire something like Bumble, where there is a very clear understanding of what are you looking for. Which again, we didn't have, like when I was growing up, there was never a first conversation कि क्या आपको चाह रहे हो, आपकी expectation क्या है, वो मतलब you found along the way. But here there are people who are without judgment, can say things like, okay, I'm looking for casual, can say things like I'm looking for long-term relationship, etc., etc. Do you think that this intentionality has made dating easier, where people are very clear at the very beginning about what they're looking for?
I think it sounds definitely better than not having it. Right? कि बिल्कुल ही absolute.
I think our overall,
silence से शुरू
yeah, I think we're deepening our concept of consent. It's really about that. It's about how much more are you able to volunteer in terms of what is consensual. Like that's where we're at. And I think that's a real healthy marker. Casual है ठीक है, label पे मत छोड़ो. Casual, you're seeking something casual. Okay, where are you at? What makes you? For you being honest with me is very important. If that's gonna help. तो ये आप negotiate कर रहे हो, आप terms of agreement बना रहे हो, consent की बात है, आप तय कर रहे हो. This is very cool because we're doing this as a generation in a way that I think we're self-informed, as against where these are not values, these are not discussions that we have templates for from our parents' generations, right? We don't have it, so we're charting the territory.
I've had friends where they're like, नहीं, dating नहीं करनी. I said, खोल के तो देखो दिमाग, शायद अच्छी लग जाए, शायद अच्छी लड़की है. And they have been single for I have a friend who's been single for 10 years. And if he's watching this, I'm sure he will. That if he just opens up with the idea that he might have missed on so many great women because he was like restricted in his idea of कि नहीं यार मुझे एक बार प्यार हुआ था और मुझे प्यार नहीं होगा, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. You miss out on so many things and you constrain yourself. If
That poor guy is saying TV पे क्यों बोला? हमने बोल दिया. But in my experience, I feel like romance, just sticking to the idea of whether it's boring or whether it's romantic, it is completely different with every individual. Even no matter what intention you've set in the beginning of the thing, like I have experienced where both of us consensually have decided that it's going to be casual. It had remained casual. It ended on a casual note, but it was hyperly romantic for those 6-7 months. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was very romantic. And that romance इतना ज़्यादा enjoy करने लगे थे, खुद ही बोल दिए कि अब इसके बाद थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ रोक देते, यहाँ छोड़ देते.
That's also communication. No?
Yes, fundamentally.
Before one person ends up going in a state where the other person hasn't followed, then conflict will happen.
हाँ, all of these factors are very true. Like कभी-कभी एक इंसान थोड़ा लाइन क्रॉस करके फिर उसका दिल टूट जाता है, कभी-कभी कोई पीछे छूट जाता है, कभी-कभी साथ में चल रहे होते हैं. बट आई फील लाइक जो भी आप इंटेंशन सामने रखिए, जो भी होगा, आपका एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप इज अबाउट दैट पर्सन एंड यू एंड नथिंग एल्स.
But that's what not having an expectation.
Let yourself flow with it also.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
and which was difficult. I'm not saying every day was easy. Every time it's like, अरे यार यहाँ से तुम ये तो सोचा ही नहीं था, यहाँ कहाँ आ गए? But at least a sense of togetherness in that कि ठीक है जहाँ भी हैं साथ में हैं, let's figure it out. अब यहाँ से अगले कमरे में जाना है कि नहीं, अगले कमरे में जाना है
that constant communication should be there.
Eventually, sometimes कुछ इधर-उधर चले जाएंगे thoughts, आपका आइडिया बदल जाएगा लाइफ का, कुछ हो जाएगा, like you said, people change, grow. But just trust that the other person is a good person.
Two things that I'm hearing. One thing that I would say that what I'm hearing is communication is romantic.
Most
I think that is actually, even
Most
if you want to talk about it, not romantic from a love perspective, but just romantic as a notion. Like let's communicate more. I think
word use हो जाता है extreme emotions के लिए.
Yeah.
Right, the whirlwind is romance. The stability is not romance. Is usually the connotation.
Sorry, I was just saying that since all of you are single and I'm the only married one on the table, for me, I know that romance is that stability, right?
Yeah.
Like you were dating as, basically teenagers, and you decided that this is the vision you have for yourself and you reached that vision. You wanted to someday have like a home of your own, a child of your own, and, like support each other in growth, and you've got that. That is romance. The fact that you get to go on this journey together is inherently romantic. So I do truly feel that was the one thing that I was hearing. The second thing that you also said, I want to specify that, it's while everybody may be a decent person at the core of them, in dating is inherently, unfortunately, risky for a lot of women. I would love again to hear from you all, since you are all, I would imagine, men who don't partake in behavior like this. What is your understanding of why men do this behavior sometimes?
I'll go out on a limb and say कि शायद ऐसा possible है that people will say कि अरे आके बैठा है यहाँ पे ज्ञान दे रहा है, बड़े man की बातें हो रही है. But I am sure there is a woman out there, if not more than one, who may not have had the best experience with me.
Correct.
Right? And why? It's not an excuse. It's just that in my head, maybe I was making a move and we were not on the same page. Right? I thought that we were on the same page कि कुछ हो रहा है. होता ना कि अरे कुछ वाइब आ रही. और मुझे बाद में जाकर रियलाइज हुआ कि वाइब मुझे ही आ रही थी. वो उसको नहीं आ रही थी. वो भी वैलिड है. मेरी फीलिंग्स भी वैलिड है, उसकी फीलिंग्स भी वैलिड है. Let's take a step back. Let's try and understand what I could have done better. Right? What was my mistake? And even if I don't feel like I've done anything wrong, apologize. Because उसको तो बुरा लग गया है. And उसके बाद से तो मतलब और हो गया ना कि I've rather erred on the side of assuming कि कोई vibe नहीं है.
So amazing that you have said this out loud because this is the quiet part. This is the stuff that all of us maybe feel and think, but don't really say out loud because this is and explicit consent or explicit, awareness also, an acknowledgement of knowing that sometimes even if, you may have a different idea and the other person may have a different idea, you have been in the wrong and you're okay with recognizing that about yourself and doing better.
And thankfully, I also give credit to what people you choose to have around you, because people around you are your moral centers. And I believe, people may question me on that women have a stronger sense of morality than men do. मतलब, at least I can speak for myself, कि थोड़ा सा fluid सी morality है. Women, if they have, they have a very strong sense of morality and empathy and what should be and what shouldn't be and what is right and wrong.
You have a POV on this? What we've been talking about?
देखो, मेरी बहुत सिंपल लॉजिक है. डायरेक्ट लाइन होती है. लाइन की इस तरफ तुम क्रीप हो, लाइन की इस तरफ तुम फट्टू हो. तो मैं फट्टू रहना चाहूंगा.
मैं भी
वही बोलो ना, you're on this side.
मैं जिंदगी भर फट्टू रहूं. अगर तू मुझे लिख के ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में नहीं दे रही हो that this is what you want. Again, when you're in a relationship, then things are different because then you just understand things better. But when you're just in that scene of figuring out each other, मैं फट्टू हूँ boss. Because I've always felt like मेरी दो बहनें हैं and अगर उनके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ तो मेरा दिल टूट जाएगा. So I've always thought of that कि नहीं मैं फट्टू ही हूँ. तू भले मुझे बोल कि एक चोमू सा बंदा आया था, कुछ नहीं करके गया. हाँ, नहीं करके गया. मैं फट्टू.
Wow, like really? I mean, again, and I said, as you said, I think
we're all
the
like
bare
this.
minimum, but still.
मैं तो I will err on that side. नहीं फट्टू
rather
मैं
on
नहीं
that side, yeah,
वही तो सर मैं बोला लाइन मैं क्रॉस करके नहीं पता करूंगा कि लाइन किधर है. नहीं
लाइन के बहुत उस तरफ हूँ
Consent
मैं.
is romantic. Yeah. This is also intentional. No? What you've been talking about, intentional is this one.
मतलब आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ हिंट दे रही नहीं दे रही भाई. जब तक वो बोलेगी नहीं तब तक तो वो हिंट नहीं दे रही.
मुझे लगता है लाइन किस तरफ क्रीपी है, किस तरफ फट्टू है. लाइन होता है सवाल पूछ लो यार.
Wow.
सवाल पूछने की देरी है. You don't have to wait for her to respond. Just ask, na. Is it okay if I make a move? Is it okay if I kiss you? Ask.
This has worked. First time awkward लगेगा,
आगे बढ़ो.
बाद में बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा.
Necessary, because there is, you don't know. You don't know. Like, and again, this is where I would credit an app like Bumble, purely because I know that, and again, I've sat with the folks over here to hear before we went to do this table. There is a feature where you are verifying profiles, so you don't.
Aadhaar card.
Yeah, that is one of the offerings of it. But the reason I was coming to that was also the fact that they have this inherent verification where they will ensure that the men on the platform, are saying exactly who they are.
Yeah.
It's not, there is no doubt, and a lot of other...
Catfishing वाला
Yeah,
problem.
catfishing is not an issue.
मेरे साथ कैटफिश हुआ है.
अच्छा. बताओ.
फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन में हम सब लोग और अपनी खुजरी में एंड गेटिंग एक्साइटेड कि कुछ मैच हुआ ये हुआ एंड अति सुंदर कोई और फिर धीरे धीरे फिर शक होने लगा फिर कुछ एंड देन एज द कॉन्वर्सेशन मूव्ड एंड ऑल एंड देन बट स्लोली फिगर्ड आउट गूगल रिवर्स इमेज सर्च किया गया पता चला कि ये कुछ फ्रॉड स्पैम वाले फोटो लीक्स किसी के फोटो एल्बम या पर्सनल व्हाटएवर गॉट लीक्ड एंड गॉट स्प्रेड एंड ऑल तो वो pretty quickly kind of managed to, but I'm saying is that also had that experience.
But I think for women in general, it's a lot safer if they know कि अच्छा ये बंदा verified है. If anything goes wrong, then the people know where to find this particular person, hold him responsible for it. I think that's a great feature to have in an app.
And the reason that I was actually bringing that up is because verification is a really, really important and positive step.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.